Meia de compasso. Someone comes to sweep that leg, so I place the other one down, let him take it. Back, switch, here, pass, switch, and role. Ultimately, I want to travel that way, but I'm starting this way, right? Meia de compasso comes. 1, 2, hands, corta capim, again, protecting my face. When I get here, switch. Remember that from the switch position, I need to move my second hand across so I can get my balanço. Slight back step, cross, down, switch, pass. Again, got to move that second hand. Huh.